All right, guys. Remember that septic tank I told you about? This is a recap. So this is the septic tank. It's already ready to go, but we haven't started on that yet. And I also told y'all about the doggone stumps, man. I got 3 stumps that I thought slowed me down, but these guys got these stumps out real fast. So look how big these things are. Now, we're going back to the house, and we're going to start building. So get ready for the build. Yeah, you see 3 stumps, and we're about to make it happen. This is the house. Everything is up. All the columns, they're ready to go. And we're about to make this thing happen. Morning, everyone. Brooklyn Nomad here. Thank you for tuning into my channel. I really appreciate you guys. So, today, we are now at day 25, guys. Count it off. We are at day 25. I got roughly, 5 more days before it's 30 days of building. So in this video, what I'm going to do for you guys is, I'm going to give you the numbers right now. So the numbers in this video is, today is Saturday, and today is their payday. So with them getting paid, I grouped all my fees in together. We are at $2,964. That's what I've had spent so far in this 25 days, right? But it's been a total of like 2 months of preparation of everything, but only 25 days of building today. Now, what I'm gonna do for you guys is, I want y'all to know before I get into this video is, on my next video, I'm gonna start breaking down just the materials versus the labor, because my focus is how much did the house cost me, and I'm gonna minus out the labor, but I'm still gonna give y'all the labor cost. I just wanna know what the actual house build is without the labor, right? And then also, I had a subscriber ask me about the floor plans of the house. I am gonna actually do a floor plan for you guys and blow it up like I did in the house in the DR, so y'all can see it. And we're also gonna do a walkthrough of the house so you can see what I see and see the rooms come alive. So today, as always, as I always say, don't forget, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. And even let's throw in the notification bell, right? Let's do that on the belly. All right, guys. So I got this surprise for y'all today. You see the hollow block? They already delivered 400. I got another 200 on its way today. But today, the walls is going up. Yes, the walls is going up. Now, from what the master carpenter tells me, he says he's gonna put all of these 600 hollow blocks up in 1 week. So this is going by really fast. Again, I got excuse the fire. They always burning, cleaning up the land, but camera must go on, right? So today we're gonna start the walls, and we're gonna make this thing come alive, so we can do a walkthrough and y'all can actually start seeing the definition of the house. So I'm excited. I'm like a kid in the candy store. I'm ready to go, because I really want to see these walls come up. They actually doing faster than the house in the DR. Of course, costing me a little less. So guys, let's go to phase 1. Let's watch this house being built. Let's go to it. All right, guys, just like baseball, y'all know opening day when the pitcher throws out the first ball, right, to start the game of the season. I am bringing out the first official brick to be loaded into the house. Hey. Yeah, good.
Para venirlo
These guys, like I told y'all, they work hard. They don't use too many machines over here in the Philippines. Everything is brute force. I mean, these guys are built, I love to say it, Ford tough. Carrying all these damn cement blocks back and forth. This is what they do. This is how they earn their money. And I just wanted you guys to just see how hard working these Filipino guys are. They are non-stop. I mean, they work from 7 in the morning, 5 o'clock at night, and all this damn heat. I'm not built that way no more, guys. I'm not going to lie to you. I couldn't do it. I would have quit a long time ago. But these guys, they make it happen. These are the backbone of the Philippines. And just like you see, it's time. The bricks are coming down. They're measuring. They're getting ready. That's all I'm doing today, guys. I'm showing y'all from the start to the finish of one day how much they're going to complete of this doggone house. So again, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification bell. If y'all like what I'm showing y'all, show your appreciation. And for you guys that's doggone have not subscribed yet, when you do subscribe, drop a I subscribed in the comment box, so I can give you a personal thank you and welcome you into the Nomad family. Don't take anything, no money. It's all free just to hit that subscribe button and hit the like button. But all in one day today, this is what these guys are doing in this doggone heat. It was so bad, I started bringing the guys water. I felt sorry for them. I mean, as you see, these guys are moving. I mean, he's still bringing in the hollow blocks, and these guys are already doing the doggone walls. So there, as they say, pas. They're going fast. These guys are doing it. I still got about 120 blocks he need to deliver. And the reason why they're using this little thing is because if y'all haven't noticed, coming down where I live is it's narrow. So a truck can't get down there. So he's making like 10, 15 trips with this. He's doing 40 blocks at a time, and he's delivering them. So I told him to take his time. It's been 2 days he's been delivering them. And like I said, before you know it, man, this thing is gonna be a house. I'm so excited. I don't know if you hear it in my voice, but I am really excited. And Miss Bella, as always, yes, we give him a little something for his trouble. Maybe it's a lot of something, but we give him something. So guys, what you see right here, this is actually the back of the house that they started on. This is the back. And they're not going to do that right there because they're still digging. I got another doggone tree in there I got to pull out. So they're going to work on that, I think, tomorrow or the next day. So in this replay, what y'all seeing is actually the back of the house. And the walls are going up. And this is day one. Like I said, day one, guys. Day one, ground zero. And this is how they mix the cement. Everything is by hand. And then my man got to cut through the whole house and take it over to the master carpenter so he can put up the doggone walls. And you see, he came all the way to the other side and he passed it to the carpenter. So, and he's making like, I'm not even exaggerating, I don't know, 100, 200 trips a day. Passing him all the doggone gravel, the cement and the mortar. And then these guys are going back into it. They already, if you look, I'm on my bedroom side. I'm on the other side of the house now. These guys is already on it. And as you look right here, that's the back side of the house right there, where the wall is already up. You see that? I already showed y'all. They already moved on. Pas. These guys are fast. And here we are. This is the end, man. That's that tree I told you about they got to get. This is the end of day one. We are finished. We are going out. It's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please hit the like, share, and subscribe. Y'all have a nice day. Brooklyn Nomad out. I have more.